Welcome back to Healthcare, YouTube channel for all things health and fitness. Today, we're tackling an important topic, the essential exercises every man over 40 needs to stay fit, healthy, and strong. As we age, our bodies go through changes that require us to adapt our fitness routines. But don't worry, we've got you covered. Let's dive into the only 7 exercises you'll ever need to keep yourself in top shape.
Number 1. Squats.
Squats are a powerhouse exercise that targets the lower body, including the quads, hamstrings, and glutes. For men over 40, maintaining lower body strength is crucial for mobility and preventing injuries. Squats can be performed with just your body weight or with added resistance like dumbbells or barbells.
Number 2. Deadlifts.
Deadlifts are fantastic for building total body strength, particularly in the posterior chain, your back, glutes, and hamstrings. They also improve your core stability and posture. Proper form is essential to avoid injury, so start with lighter weights and gradually increase as your strength improves.
Number 3. Push-ups.
Push-ups are a classic exercise that never goes out of style. They work the chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. Push-ups can be modified to match your fitness level, from knee push-ups to more advanced variations like decline push-ups or adding a clap.
Number 4. Pull-ups.
Pull-ups are excellent for upper body strength, focusing on the back, biceps, and shoulders. They also enhance grip strength, which tends to decline with age. If standard pull-ups are too challenging, try assisted pull-ups or lat pull-downs as a starting point.
Number 5. Planks.
Core strength is vital for overall stability and injury prevention. Planks are a simple yet effective way to engage the entire core. Hold a plank position for as long as possible, focusing on maintaining a straight line from head to heels. As you get stronger, try side planks or plank variations to keep things interesting.
Number 6. Lunges.
Lunges are another excellent lower body exercise that also challenges your balance and coordination. They target the quads, hamstrings, and glutes, and can be performed in various directions: forward, reverse, or lateral to engage different muscle groups.
Number 7. Rows.
Rows are perfect for building upper body strength, particularly in the back and shoulders. They also help correct posture issues that can arise from prolonged sitting or desk work. Use a barbell, dumbbells, or a resistance band to perform rows with proper form.
There you have it, the only 7 exercises men over 40 need to stay fit and healthy. Incorporate these into your routine, and you'll build strength, enhance mobility, and maintain your overall fitness. Remember, consistency is key, so stick with it and listen to your body.
If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Healthcare for more fitness tips. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.